My friend Jane, when we visited the other day, gave me some homegrown veggies, which included green and red chillies and a couple of big handfuls of fresh mint leaves. What I did with this was to blend it using some olive oil and the various veggies that she's given me, and put them in my blender. And this material that you see in this dish is the result of that once I processed it. The next step was to put a teaspoon of this in with my can of sardines, which I like to have on toast in the morning, and mix it all together. And once that was done, it leaves a really nice spicy sardine mixture which is spread on the toast itself, and I have 2 slices of this for breakfast.
001 0110.
This makes a really healthy combination of protein and vitamins and all the various good for you type foods as a breakfast.